It's now time for Toot the bird and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Swo-Swoosh. His friends are going to the treasure hunt today. Over Springland looking for treasure, but Swo-Swoosh is here. Swo-Swoosh is going to give them clues on where to go. Swo-Swoosh. Okay, we're all ready. Let's get going, says Honk.
Yippee! This is going to be such fun. What's the first clue?
Says Croak the Frog.
All right, everybody. I hid treasures that everyone can share and enjoy. Here we go. The first clue is the treasure is near the biggest light in Springland.
The biggest light in Springland? Oh, that must be the lighthouse.
Yes, Lolly, it must be the lighthouse. Let's go there. Hey, I see a blue bench. I found it. I found it.
Hey, that's great. We can all play with that.
Well done, Croak. Okay, everyone. Here's the second clue. It's a bit harder now. Go to the place where the raccoons live.
Where do the raccoons live? I don't know. Maybe in holes in the ground?
I don't think raccoons live in holes in the ground. Raccoons live in the forest. We should go to the forest.
Well done, everyone. Are you ready for the next clue?
Asked Swo-Swoosh.
Oh, yes. What's the next clue, Swo-Swoosh? Now it's getting harder. You have to find the place from where everyone leaves on a trip.
I know. That's the harbor. Come on, everybody.
Well, look around.
We can't find anything, Swo-Swoosh.
Well, are you sure this is the right place? Think about it. I said you have to go to the place where everyone leaves on a trip.
Oh, no. We're in the wrong place. The place from where everyone leaves on a trip is the airport. That's where we should go,
I think that is a good idea, Honk.
says Swo-Swoosh. Oh, silly me. Everyone, let's go to the airport.
Where's the treasure?
The treasure is in the place where planes get repaired.
Where do planes get repaired?
I know, over there. It's called a hangar. That's where planes get repaired.
Wow, look at the size of the plane.
Hey, everyone, I found it,
Shouts Honk.
I hope you like it. I had it made just for all of you. Well done, everybody.
This is a very special treasure, Swo-Swoosh.